Hi, I'm Tony Thielen. Welcome to Mixed Media Portraits. In this 3-week workshop, we're going to merge abstraction, representation, and self-expression. Each week, we'll meet up for 3 hours. A couple of hours will be dedicated to presentations, techniques, and demonstrations. Then we'll use the remaining time for feedback and Q&A. In the first week, we're going to look at reference, inspiration, and I'm going to show you how to prepare an underpainting for your portrait. For week 2, using our reference, we'll lay in our portraits over our underpainting. We'll begin working our portrait and background, and I'll demonstrate 2 different approaches to painting the skin tones. In the 3rd week, we'll continue where we left off, but I am going to talk about other mediums and elements we can add to our portraits, particularly if I didn't already add them in week 1 or 2, and some of the things for finishing off a painting. I'm excited to share my approach. I'm excited for this class. I think it's going to be really interesting. I think it's going to be fun, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.